Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia XA1 Ultra, and today I will show you how to change the date and time. So we'll start off by going into settings, then go all the way down into system and date and time. And from here you can either set it to be automatic with this switch, and also time zone automatic, or if you prefer to do it yourself, you can just flip that off, and time you can set it up here, and minutes like so, and date as well. So you can set up date, you can tap on top here to change the year, and yeah. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.